Here we are at the Upper Yarra
Reservoir. Camping area.
Camping area. Now, this used to be sort of like a free camp and you could just sort of come here and do, you know, basically camp. But now, with all the new regulations, you've got to actually book online.
It still doesn't cost anything, but you've got to book. They sort of can only take a limited amount, even though it's a big area, because there's a septic toilet and it can only handle
a certain amount of people.
Yeah.
Okay, we're in the barbecue area at the moment.
Electric barbecues.
They've got electric barbecues, seating tables.
Yeah.
So it is an undercover area, which is quite good. Again, as I said before, toilet blocks over there, which is good. And then here we go. Robyn just found a little gecko that I almost
Trot on.
trod on. Oh look, there's another one right here.
Oh wow,
Look at
that's a
that
bigger
guy.
one.
Check him out.
Hope you can see him. He's camouflaged reasonably well.
Yeah,
There
that's
he is.
cool. Oh, we'll leave him in
Leave
peace.
him alone.
Wow, the things you see on your little nature walk. Isn't that wonderful?
It is.
All right, we're going to head back to the caravan because it's sort of almost tea
Well,
time
getting
for us.
closer to tea time, yep.
So we're going to, what are we going to have for tonight?
Well, I'm just making a potato bake in the Weber.
Oh, potato bake in the Weber. Maybe we should do a video on that.
Oh,
Have you got some secret recipe?
no, nothing secret.
Damn.
Let's just throw heaps of things in and then that's it.
You know what?
Maybe we
I
can.
think I might sneak a little camera in there and we'll see what Robyn does. All right, so we're heading back. Our campsite is just up on the hill. While we're heading up, we've got all these fire pits around, which is pretty cool. And here we are, parked underneath those trees. Do you know what trees they were, Robyn?
No, I don't. I didn't. Took a photo, but it was coming up with a whole lot of different answers and didn't seem right.
Look, if you can tell us what that tree is, it'd be appreciated if you could put that in the
Show you the
comments
size
below.
of the leaves. Hang on.
Okay.
So they're beautiful, soft leaves.
Okay, time for some tea.
Hello. I'm going to do a cooking segment. There you go. Haven't done one of these before, so I'm just going to make a potato bake in the Weber. So we have the Weber small frying pan that comes with a detachable handle so that when you put it in the hot Weber, you don't put that on. You don't do that. So you pop that on there, put that down there, and there's your pan. And then when you put it in the Weber, you just you take it off and it cooks. Sorry. All right, so I'm going to assemble this potato bake. So a little bit of spray. And I have the potatoes, about 4 medium potatoes, thinly cut. I may not use all these, it depends how it goes. And 1 bacon rasher thinly sliced, half an onion chopped, and I just add in often whatever vegetables or other things I have. In a way, it's hardly a potato bake, it's like a frittata. So anyway, I shall attempt to do this. Probably got too many in. It says I usually do 3 layers, or I do whatever I have. I'll put pumpkin in as well, slice up pumpkin, I just do whatever, but it's supposed to be about 3 layers. So there you go, that's good enough for me. Then we put some onion. It's pretty good there. Okay, so then I need, now with this I sometimes add eggs if I'm making more of a frittata, which this is sort of becoming a little bit more, but about 50 mils of milk, And about, I don't know, 150 or something. Fill it up to the top. That's the only container I've got. There we go. Stick some pepper and salt in there. Sit down for a minute so I don't make a mess. Mix that. Pour it over. And we cook that in the Weber, which has been heating up for about 10 minutes. Cook that for about, I don't know, 20 minutes, and then, or half an hour or whatever, 20 minutes, I'll check it. And then you bring it, come back and then add some grated cheese on top. So I'll put foil on this now and then cook it for, 20 minutes or so, and then come back and put the grated cheese on, and then cook it with no foil on. Okay, we've had the barbecue warming with the lid down. I'm just putting this on now. So we take this handle off and tuck that in, lid down, and who's your mother? Robyn.
Oh look, we've got some friends here.
Oh look, aren't they gorgeous?
Decided to come and have something to eat with us.
Okay, so this has been cooking for about 45 minutes now, so hopefully it looks all right. So we take that off, we take the foil off. Ooh, okay, it's getting a bit brown there, which is nice. Oh, and I've got some grated cheese with this really cool grater. I love this, so good. It's got different grating sizes, about 3, and I wanted to buy another one and I couldn't find it, because I bought it from IKEA and they don't sell these ones anymore. So I'm just going to put this across the top. There we go. And I might turn it round just because we're on a little tiny bit of a slope. I just want to make sure it cooks evenly, like the liquid or whatever goes down. Okay, and another, say, 15 minutes maybe, and then that'll be done. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I'll just see what it looks like. Ooh, pretty good, pretty good. So we shall, a little bit of drips, but that's okay. We shall take this off now, nice and strong, and just support it a little bit because, I made it, look how good it is though. Take it inside. I've got it, I'll just put it on the board there, and we'll eat it, and we can have it with, you can have it with whatever you want, steak or whatever you have potatoes with and how you want to eat it, or cool.
And now the finished result.
You have some chops and a little bit of salad that was left over, and the potato bake.
So that's it, let's dig in.
Well, hi, we're still up here at the Upper Yarra Reservoir camping area. We've just going for a little ride on our bikes, and just in the same vicinity there's this water wheel here, the Mc Veigh's water wheel, which was originally used in 1870, as far back as 1870, to provide power for lighting and the quartz extracting gold. Crushing machine to extract gold, so that was pretty good back in 1870. And then Mc Veigh bought it and installed it near built a motel or hotel and installed it there to provide power for himself. So that was pretty cool. That was in 1906 or something. And then his hotel got burnt down. Hotel was built it sort of survived the 1938 bushfires, but then got burnt in about 1960 or something 60. Sorry about that. And then the Melbourne Metropolitan Board of Works ended up buying it, and it was put in storage for a while, and then it came back out here, and they've assembled it here, you know, in its rightful area. And apparently some of the timbers have been replaced, but all the mechanics are original from back in the 1870s.
Okay, so let's go and have a little look at this water wheel. It is absolutely incredible. So here it is. Mc Veigh's water wheel. It's really hard to film, but we'll see what we can manage. So at the top of the water wheel is the water race, and they've got all the gearing and so forth inside. As you can see, the timbers are pretty worn. It's quite a large structure. And again, that's the water race heading towards that way.
So it's pretty useful item that was used quite extensively in its life.
Yeah. So if you're coming up here, it might be a good thing to come and have a look at.
Always interesting to see a bit of history.
So I think we shall jump on our
bikes and see what else we can
what else we can explore in this wonderful area. So there we go, Mc Veigh's water wheel. Oh, hi guys. Yeah, it's pretty warm out there. We're just at the Upper Yarra Reservoir, and what we found out is that it was opened in 1957
by General Sir Dallas Brooks.
I wonder if he's any relation to Dallas Brooks Hall.
I'm supposing he probably is, yes, named after him.
Yeah, so this is the catchment area, the Yarra River.
Yep, they dam the Yarra River and let it trickle down.
I hope this wind isn't sort of interfering with the audio too much. I'll try and step around here where it's a little quieter. But yeah, it's absolutely phenomenal. So there's no boating here, no fishing,
nothing. They keep it pure because it's Melbourne's drinking water.
Exactly correct. Wow, this is absolutely incredible.
So we'll come over here.
We'll just take you over to the other side. We might be able to see the spillways. Yeah, sorry guys, it is pretty warm here. The flies are absolutely horrendous. But it's where we are.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Oh yes, have a look at that. That's the spillway. There's a couple of roads in, and that's the main spillway.
And just over there, you can probably see that building.
Yep.
That's the amenities block, isn't it, for the camping area?
Oh, it is too.
I'd say it is, I think. And the road there is the one where you rode up.
Apologies again for the wind, but not much we can do about that. There's also another section here I want to have a quick look at. Sorry, this is our first time here. We haven't explored it, so just bear with us. So this is what we rode across, but that's sort of again part of the spillway. Now to actually see that in action would be phenomenal.
Yeah, it would.
Anyway, we might
head... Pretty full dam if they'd let anything out.
Yeah, we might head back to the caravan and what's the time? Oh, it's almost morning tea time, so we better get back.
Morning tea or lunch?
Pretty much lunch. All right, we're heading back, so we'll catch up with you guys later.
Okay,
cheers.
See ya.